Welcome back to One to Step. Today, I'll be guiding you through how you can block websites on Google Chrome. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon so that you'd never miss another update from us. There might be a lot of reason you want to block a website on Google Chrome. Whatever your reason is, you can easily block websites on Google Chrome. The process is so easy, you'll just need to install and learn how to use a simple extension called BlockSite. Go to your Google Chrome web browser and click it open. Make sure to sign into your Google account and in the URL box type in BlockSite extension. Press the enter and you'll end up in the page where there are multitudes of search results displayed. Click on this link that says BlockSite, or you can simply type in chrome.google.com. After you do that, this is the site we are looking for, BlockSite. It is a website blocker for Chrome. Click on the blue box at the right corner and from the pop-up, click on Add Extension. At the top right corner, you'll see Extensions button. Simply give it a click and choose BlockSite from the pop-up. Enter the website that you want to block on Google Chrome. For example, let me type in www.facebook.com and click on OK. Now the site has been added to your block list. Let's go check it out if this works or not. Let me type in www.facebook.com and search in the URL. You can see that the access has been restricted by Google Chrome. Now, in order to unblock the site, you can simply click on Remove Blocking at the bottom right corner right here. And just with a click, you will be back to your Facebook. The site is no longer blocked on Google Chrome. That is how you can block websites on Google Chrome using a simple extension. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes soon. Goodbye till then.